Okay, let's see. Show us. What's happening here? What's going on?
Yeah, look like little Jack. Yeah.
Okay, so what cars do you have up there? Tell me about them.
This one named Milking, this one named Milking too. This one a race car, and this one a car, and those ones on the way.
Do they have names?
No, they're cars. They're just playing around.
Well, what's that other guy up there doing? What's he doing? That green guy?
That green guy?
Yeah.
Where?
The thing with 2 legs.
2 legs? Which one?
This one.
This one?
Yes. What's he doing? Tell me about him.
He's a dinosaur.
So what's he doing with the cars?
Tagging him on the chain tags. Just take him off.
Oh, wow.
I'm red. He's too big.
Tell me a story with the cars.
I'm red. Look at Baba. I'm red in there.
Oh,
Yeah.
does he fit?
Yeah.
Show me a story with the cars.
Yeah, and cars going rockets.
Yeah, show me a story.
And again a rocket, landing through the chain tracks.
Okay, and then what?
And they come out the rocket.
What if that dinosaur was to attack the cars? What would happen? Show me. Show me.
There's a rocket ship, guys, in the rocket ship. Where?
Whoa, the dinosaur attacked the cars. What are the cars gonna do?
Cars are do something.
Oh, wait, I think the rocket ship's coming. Show me. Show me.
Yeah, there's 2 dinosaurs coming.
Okay, where? Hurry up.
Right here.
Hurry up, show us.
There's another dinosaur.
Oh, what are they gonna do?
They keep fighting the cars.
Show us.
There's a rocket ship coming.
Where's the rocket ship?
Right here.
Oh, wow, that's a big rocket ship. What's he gonna do?
Put him inside these windows. Because it keeps them safe.
Okay, and then what?
And they're blessed up, go to home. Don't think they don't bless out. These ones won't go in because they won't go to home because they're scared of dinosaurs. Because they're going and left. I go there inside there because they're scared of dinosaurs and they're flashed off and go right there.
And that's the end of the story?
Yeah, and there's the last one right there.
Which one?
That one, okay.
You better save him. You better save him.
No, there's no more room for him in there.
Well, maybe he should ride on top of the rocket.
No, it's too little in there. See,
Maybe you should put him on the side.
Put him on the side.
Yeah, put him on the side. There you go.
See?
You can hold on to it.
He can't.
And so then what happens? Where does the rocket go?
Going there.
Are they safe from the dinosaurs?
Yeah, the dinosaurs walking there. Walk there.
And then what?
And they're stop there and go in and walk it in. Go back to the chain tag again.
And the end?